YouTube, what's good? It's your man Titus J, and this is my first wave video on YouTube. My very first one. In this video, I'm gonna show all the male wavers, all the female wavers, no matter what you are wavers, my method I use when I put a moisturizer in my hair. So in this video, I'm gonna use the moisturizer As I Am Double Butter Cream. It is a great product, got a lot of natural oils in it, and it make them waves start chopping. You know, a lot of people say make the waves spin and make the waves look good, but I say chopping. Make them muds chop, they go da-da-da-da-da. Like, ooh. But yeah, stay tuned. Stay tuned, man. Stay tuned, don't go nowhere, stay tuned. Now let's get started. Of course, I got the moisturizer, As I Am Double Butter Cream in my hand. Also got my anti-soft brush. And I'm also gonna use a plastic bag. Go ahead and show the waves off for a second. Chopping, chopping, chopping. So I'll go ahead and take some of the moisturizer, a good decent amount, not too little, not too much. A good decent size, So what I do is rub it on my hands, then I go ahead and rub it all through my hair. Rub it all through my hair, make sure I cover all my hair. As you can see, the product is great. As you can see, it's already starting to make my hair shine. Since I got a big head, I had to use a little bit more. But I take my anti-soft brush and I go ahead and I get a good brush session in. Typically, I would do a good 30 minutes of brushing, but for the purpose of this video, I went on ahead and, you know, of course I did a little bit shorter than that. I didn't do a full 30 brush session on this one. Just did a little session to show you guys what I do when I add moisturizer on my hair. Brush, 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 brush. It is so important that you brush. Even me, I'm a beginner waver still. Like, I feel like I'm a beginner compared to the elite wavers. But brushing is key. You just brush, 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 brush. No matter what you do, brush. That's it. Oh yeah, I'm using the soft brush because my haircut is real low. It's lower than usual. You know, I pretty much wanted to go a little low with this haircut because I wanted to be able to, you know, have a long woof session. And plus the haircut look real nice. So go ahead and done brushing. Next step is I get my plastic bag and I go ahead and use it as if it is a brush. And I just rub the bag all through my hair. So that way what it's doing is it's laying down all the hair. It's laying it down, laying it down. And it's also helping getting a moisturizer through my hair. So you want to do this, use the plastic bag all over your head. Then after that, you know what I'm saying, you look, you say, all right, my hair looking nice, looking shiny. You don't want to lose no progress, so you go ahead and it's time to rag up. And that's it. Simple. Moisturizer, brush, do-rag. That's it.